Chloe makes some of the world's most beautiful ladies' glasses, and it's my personal favourite ladies' designer brand. So today I'm joined by the lovely Nat from Chloe, well, from Kering, who make Chloe glasses, and we're going to be showcasing this new amazing series of frames.
This is something that is super, super special. It's been introduced by our creative director, Gabriella Hurst. So over in the factory in Italy, as you've probably been over, we're producing hundreds and thousands of frames every day. And all of that acetate is just thrown away, those offcuts, we don't use them. So what we've decided to do with Chloe is take all those offcuts and create unique colours.
I think a lot of people don't realise that the way that acetate frames are manufactured, they start off as a solid block of material, don't they?
They do indeed, yes.
You know, kind of like this.
Yeah.
And that is then cut and milled into the shape of a pair of glasses. And you can imagine that taking a block of material from this to this there's a huge amount of wastage.
There is.
And it's a problem not just for the actual wastage of the material, but the water used to clean it all away. Just everything about it is not ideal. To know that Chloe are then using all that waste material, recycling it and creating something new, something artistic and creative from it, I think is incredible.
It's brilliant. And what's great is something personally that I like about this collection is the limited edition bespokeness of it. So for example, if we take this particular acetate, Robert.
This one?
That's the one. So this has been hugely popular. It's actually sold out now. You can't get it. And I think that's really special. So you're not going to see everyone in that particular type of colourway.
Each one is numbered. And I think the maximum of each colourway is 300.
Yeah,
if I'm right.
There is. So with this collection, obviously it is limited edition, and we've been quite selective in the type of models that we've produced. So we've got quite bold, chunky acetates, and then you've got your more iconic sort of 70s oversized, you know, real heritage, going back to their roots, the DNA. We've got the sun, which, you know, I just absolutely love these.
That's just iconic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even though this looks black, it is actually not completely black.
No,
we
it's
have
not.
Speckles of clear acetate that are just built into the temples. Makes it just look that little bit more interesting.
Yeah.
In a way, it's almost slightly deconstructed.
Yeah, I love this one, and you've also got in the Chloe box there.
I mean, look at that. You just don't see colourways like that. The fact that Chloe are making these completely unique colourways is incredibly artistic.
Yeah, they're just super cool.
Yeah, and that's what I like about Chloe, because it is quite a big brand, but it's not like a lot of mainstream brands where you just see it all over the place.
Yeah.
Chloe's still a really exclusive designer. It's one of the things that appeals to me.
Yeah.
I always say on this channel that I like glasses that stand on their own without a logo.
Yeah.
And that's what I've always admired about the Chloe collection, because they're just great frames at the end of the day.
They are, and I think
regardless of being Chloe.
they always keep their identity and true to who they are. Sustainability has been such a huge part, not just within eyewear, but through the other categories as well. So through the footwear, through the clothing, sustainability is a huge part. And also with the packaging, so you can see here, we've got the case.
Yeah, even that's recycled material, isn't it?
So it's all the recycled leathers. So it's also like the end bits of the leathers.
Can we model some of these optical frames?
Absolutely.
So I think this is the one that is going to appeal to most people.
This is the model that you sold through in that other colourway that we now can't get whatsoever. So it's a little bit more oversized.
Yeah, I think all of these pieces are. They're all very bold and all very current in 2023, because that oversized blocky look is really in for ladies in particular, isn't it?
But it just fits really nice. It's not too heavy, and I love this pink colourway.
Well, they are heavy to wear because they're big, thick cuts of acetate, but they're very well balanced, aren't they? Try the tortoiseshell on. This is the most classic colourway. For me, I feel like it's a little bit of a shame to go for a frame from this collection and then just have a tortoiseshell, albeit a unique tortoiseshell.
It's not that typical Havana tortoiseshell. There's a little bit of pop to it with the different colours of the brown.
It's got an almost amber glow to it, hasn't it?
This is really probably one of my favourites, more of that aviator.
Yeah. This is like super, I don't know, is it autumnal? Those browns, but then I also feel like it's quite summery at the same time.
It's very summery because it's a lovely light colourway. I think very cool, very 70s, very Chloe.
Yeah, I love that.
Very
and I think that frame with a tint or even a photochromic lens to go from clear to dark would be a perfect match.
Yeah.
That's my favourite shape within the collection. I really, really like it. I wish that I could wear it. It's just, a little narrow on the bridge. So this is a great style for ladies with a smaller bridge.
Yeah.
Fits me a little bit too tight, unfortunately, but I like the kind of pilot aviator kind of style.
I love this.
And this blue colourway is nice as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Blue and black, and even hints of what I'm seeing, like clear and...
And that's the thing, I think, when you take it out in the light and you actually see all the flecks of the different colours that have been built in from these offcuts.
There's even a tiny bit of glitter in part of it. Yeah, beautiful.
And then, as you know, a couple of weeks ago, we introduced a brand new one-off, which is slightly darker.
I really like that one, and the shape is super cool as well, isn't it?
More 70s, a little bit quirky, you've got this. If you want something that's maybe a little bit easier to wear.
Definitely easier to wear, that one.
And then you've got that kind of cool vibe, you know, someone that's not afraid to be a little bit different.
Absolutely. So are these all of the colourways that are available?
Well,
as long as they're not sold out.
I was just going to say, so yes, but that one's sold out.
That's what we've got there, isn't it? Yeah.
It's sold out in the optical.
So luckily we have one left in stock of
That's
this.
literally, that is literally the last one.
This is a mad pair of sunglasses, isn't it?
It is.
I think you could only make this kind of colourway from the process that Chloe have developed.
Yeah.
Can you wear it for us?
I can indeed.
This is probably a bit too large for Nat, as brave as she is.
My little head.
No, it kind of works, but again, you've got to have a lot of personality with this style. But if you've got the personality for it, I mean, what could be better? You're not going to get a more impactful pair of sunglasses.
As we said, all those colourways were available, but as they are limited edition, once they're gone, they're gone. This is everything that we've got left for now, probably until fall, winter. When I told you about it, you wanted me to come in straight away.
I was on the phone immediately, wasn't I? I was like, Nat, get down here.
Yeah.
Luckily for you, it was a Friday evening.
Yeah.
You had an excuse, but Monday morning.
But Monday I was here.
Yeah, so once they're gone, they're gone. Get them while you can. These are probably the most special ladies designer glasses in 2023, at least that I've come across.
By far, it's different and it's unique.
So thank you for showcasing them for us today.
You are so welcome. Thank you for having me, and I can't wait to see you all in your Riace Chloe glasses.
Awesome. If you've got any questions about this collection for me or Nat, leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more of the best eyewear content on the internet. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.
See you soon.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. I certainly enjoyed showcasing the Chloe Gayia recycled acetate collection with Nat, but now it's time to give these glasses their SF score. So starting with styling, and I think these glasses are super cool. If you're a lady looking for the most fashionable frames in 2023, you'd really be hard pressed to find anything better. So therefore, they get a 9 out of 10. When it comes to originality, the concept is certainly original, but the styling, I would say, is not, and hence gone with a 5 out of 10 for originality. In terms of craftsmanship, these frames are certainly well made, very well put together, excellent quality hinges, but do slightly fall short of some of the really high quality independent brands out there. That said, I'm a big fan of the temple design and the sculpting work that's been done there. So we're going to go with a 6 out of 10 for craftsmanship. In terms of comfort, that is possibly where this collection is let down a little bit. Of course, they are thick slabs of acetate. They're going to be heavy, and therefore they're not going to be the most comfortable frames. That said, high quality acetate like you find in these frames is nice and soft on the skin, and having a molded bridge generally spreads the weight more evenly. The frames are well balanced as well. So we're going to go with a 4 out of 10 for comfort. And finally, durability. These frames feel rock solid. As far as acetate frames go, you will struggle to find a more durable acetate. And that ends these Chloe frames a 7 out of 10. So that means these Chloe glasses have a specs factor of 6.2, which is a little harsh, but remember the SF score doesn't take into account sustainability. And despite that, purely based on the styling, don't be surprised to see these glasses in the end of year awards.